Good morning, this is Jennifer Dunn with the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth, Dallas, and this is a winter weather briefing created on the morning of November 24th regarding the upcoming Thanksgiving weekend weather and travel conditions across the region. Rain chances increase across the region starting Thanksgiving Day, with the best rain chances expected Thursday night through Saturday. Periods of heavy rain on Friday and Saturday will likely cause some areas of flooding, but widespread flooding is not expected. The threat for flooding will continue into Sunday as the rain begins to end. It will be warm through Thursday, but a strong front on Friday will bring colder temperatures this weekend. Winter weather precipitation is not expected in north and central Texas at this time. However, icy conditions in and around the Texas Panhandle this weekend could make for hazardous travel conditions in those areas. To give you an overview of the timing of the rain chances and the best rain chances through the holiday weekend, starting on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, showers will start to increase mainly late on the day, with the best rain chances across those northwestern counties of North Texas. On Thursday, the flash flood and river flood threat is low, the thunderstorm threat is low, and the severe weather threat is low. As we move into Thursday night, rain will continue to increase across the region. The flash flood and river flood threat will continue to be low. The thunderstorm threat is low to moderate as we start to see possibly some isolated thunderstorms, but the severe weather threat will continue to be low. On Friday, numerous showers and isolated thunderstorms will continue across north and central Texas. Periods of heavy rain will occur, which will increase the flash flood and river flood threat. Widespread flash flooding is not expected, but some areas will likely experience flooding. The flash flood and river flood threat is moderate to high on Friday. The thunderstorm threat is low to moderate, with again isolated thunderstorms expected, and the severe weather threat remains low. On Saturday, numerous showers will continue across north and central Texas. Again, periods of heavy rain will occur, which will keep the flash flood and river flooding threat high. Widespread flash flooding is not expected, but some areas will likely experience flooding. The thunderstorm threat will be low, and the severe weather threat will be low as well. The rain will continue into the day on Sunday, but will finally come to an end later on Sunday. However, the threat for flash flooding and river flooding will continue on Sunday as the rain continues to fall on saturated soils. For the next couple of days, we'll continue to see warm temperatures in the 60s and 70s right up through Thanksgiving Day. However, a strong front arrives on Friday, dropping high temperatures into the 40s and 50s for the weekend. Some locations may even struggle to reach 40 degrees on Saturday. Overnight lows are expected to remain above freezing, but will still be in the 30s and 40s. We want to emphasize, though, that based on the temperatures, we are not expecting winter precipitation to occur in north or central Texas this weekend. Although we currently are not forecasting any winter weather precipitation in north and central Texas, areas to our northwest, including the Texas Panhandle, may experience icy weather on Friday and Saturday, causing hazardous travel conditions in these areas. If you are planning to travel across New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, and western Oklahoma, make sure that you check the forecast for these areas and plan accordingly. Here in north and central Texas, the threat for flooding will pose the greatest risk to travelers. Rain will also be possible across the remainder of the state, resulting in slick and possibly hazardous travel conditions through the weekend. With the threat for flooding and flash flooding this weekend, flooding should not be taken lightly when it comes to your safety. The majority of flood fatalities do occur in vehicles. When you come upon a flooded roadway, do the smart thing and turn around, don't drown. Find a different route to your destination. Never go around barricades, and be especially cautious at night, when it is more difficult to tell the depth of the water on the road. Remember, it only takes 2 feet of rushing water to sweep away your car. Thank you for joining us this morning for this weather briefing regarding the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday weekend. For more information, you can visit our webpage there in the middle of your screen, and also continue to follow the forecast on our webpage as well.